Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Credit Karma affiliate program for credit score signups step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Credit Karma affiliate program and press enter. Look for the official website link in the search results and click on it. You should see the main page for the Credit Karma affiliate program. Locate the login option, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page asking for your login details. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address. In the next field, input your password. Make sure your credentials are typed correctly to avoid errors. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Login button to proceed. After successful login, you will be taken to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can access your referral links and track signups. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's features. You can also explore additional resources provided to maximize your affiliate potential. That's the simple process for logging into the Credit Karma affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.